Restoring family links across the globe, irrespective of politics. That, in a nutshell, sums up the main objective behind the meeting in Tehran between the representatives of the International Committee of the Red Cross and 12 national societies. Speaking to Press TV, the ICRC officials said they have gathered in the Iranian capital to help people in the Middle East and elsewhere re-establish contact with their immediate family members after separation due to armed conflict, natural disaster, migration or humanitarian crisis.
When a mother has no news from a son, everybody understands that there is a need for the mother to get some information. So here we have this network of Red Cross, Red Crescent Society involved in this work, and by putting these people together, we hope we can improve the quality of the service.
We have nothing to do with the politics, with the decision of to accept or not people, to grant them a status or not. This is not what we are discussing here. We are discussing how to reach them, putting them back in contact and helping to reunite if necessary.
Organized by the ICRC and the Iranian Red Crescent Society, the three-day meeting will also hear proposals and suggestions from the representatives of the national societies of Afghanistan, Australia, Britain, Greece, Indonesia, Iraq, Italy, Pakistan, Spain, Sweden and Turkey.
I'm not here to sort of tell government what to do or what not to do, but what we believe is people need to be treated as people. Human needs to be treated as human beings. And the needs of the human beings should not be politicized.
The meeting is of high importance these days because of the regional wars and natural disasters. We have a large number of new refugees and asylum seekers. Over the next 3 days, the ICRC and the national societies will discuss their views and update their statistics. They will then coordinate their efforts to offer better humanitarian services to those in need.
According to the United Nations Refugee Agency, there are more than 15 million refugees around the world, including almost 5 million Palestinian refugees. With more than 200 million migrants and displaced persons, the leading countries of origin are Afghanistan, Iraq, Somalia, Sudan, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. The UN also says that with almost 5 million refugees from Iraq and Afghanistan, Iran continues to host one of the largest refugee populations in the world. The International Red Cross and Red Crescent movement has a 10-year strategy to better meet the needs of people separated from their families for various reasons. The strategy involves enhanced coordination and cooperation within the movement and greater support for tracing humanitarian services across the globe. Ghaman Naderi, Press TV, Tehran.